Check it out. Check it out. Check
Hello. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Welcome to Master Trader 101. I'm here once again to give you a great video. Today we're gonna talk about the market. As you can tell today, there's gonna be a lot of going on. As you can see, SP 500 dropped from 400 from 45 dropped to from 45 to 400. So I was expecting that since yesterday Jerome Powell make a statement that they might tighten the market as early as much as he can and as high as he can. So basically, since then the market keep dipping. I was expecting that, but I didn't expect it's gonna be that fast. As you can tell, he went from today from 405 408 and drop all the way to 400 something. But one of the reason as well that you see that is low as well. You can see also the earning. There's a lot earning today that's influenced the market. For example, you have Target, which is TGT. TGT has earning, and I believe today he has earning. He went from, if you look at the for the 5 days daily, he went from 220 yesterday, and he dropped all the way to 160. So whoever bought option put yesterday before the market closed make a huge gain, because as you can tell, he went from he dropped like 60 points. So basically he make a big run, and those whoever bought option put, congrats, go to you, because you make a lot of money on option put. And not only Target, that's some drop, also you got Lowe's. LOW. As you can see, Lowe's also drop, and you look at the 7 days as well. You look at the 5 days. On the 5 days, you see it drop yesterday as well. It dropped yesterday as well from 194, and right now is all the way to 188. All the way to 188. So basically, you see how the market react with the bad news of Jerome Powell. So they think they're going to recession sooner than expected. So I don't blame them, because back in the day they believe in Powell, and now Powell gives them fake news, and then what happened is Powell changed his mind later on, and next thing you know, they end up paying the price of option put, option call. So that's the reason you see they had a lot of fear, and you see people making exit from the trade, and you can see that's the reason why. I don't blame them. But this is the reality. So let me, and also you got also earning Costco. Yeah, as you can see, SP500 right now is 400 set almost 399. TIA is down, IC is down, and NCS is down. So basically, it's a major chip. Power just dipped the market before after the market closed, which is like literally why they dropped the news really after the market closed, which is this is like a setup plan so that what they know they actually plan ahead. It sounds like it, and then right after the market closed, this is when they drop the big news, and next thing you know, people effect uh, effect by it. Let's see Costco. When you go to down and you see, for example, today on the top gainer, when you go to the app, this is the Weibo app, so you can see the top. When you go to the top, the top gainer, as you can see, DPSI is moving 140%. ASCAR is moving 100%. And you can look at on the app via which one is moving up, which is moving down, and you can see the top loser or the top loss today. This is the stock. For example, Glow RT, it is moving 48, it down 48%, and you can tell how the market is moving slowly, but nevertheless we we are here, and then we witnesses the great fall of the US market, but we don't know how long it's gonna take, but we know that for a fact that it's gonna make a major impact on us. Yeah, as you can see, IXC making impact. The one I'm trying to do is Costco. As you can see, a lot of people buy Costco, and that's the biggest shock for me today, because I wasn't expecting Costco to drop that fast, and that he has a major bad earning. As you can see, it went from 488 to all the way to 438 right now. It just dropped 10%, and it dropped from 490 to all the way to 440. It dropped 50 point, which is crazy, because I was expecting that it dropped that much fast and it dropped that bad. So hold on, let me see. Okay, so Costco. I don't know, guys, if you can see me clearly. I'm trying to make it the screen bigger so more people can be can watch it more clearly. So basically, let me know, guys, if you're able to see it or not, or if everything is blurry. Okay. um so for today, you can see, for example, if you go to the app, when you see Costco, if for example you got already stock that went to Costco, you got Costco, Lowe's, Target, and Spy, XLV. These are the recently priced, so basically they give you an idea which stock related to which stock. And also you can go on the bottom, you see the news, and you can see the what they take about the Costco, what's going on Costco stock. And if you click on the news, the reason why Costco is deep, you can tell that Costco should lower today because of the reason why Target announced worse than expected, which is kind of crazy because we're expecting a better news, and the next thing you know, Target revenue 25 billion is beat the revenue, but estimate miss. It's supposed to be 3.07, but the estimate is 219. So basically it's almost missed by 1 point. So basically the market is not gonna forget that. They're not gonna forgive it. So basically that's why you see it's acting like that. Sorry guys, I'm trying to my computer is my internet, since there is a program going on, that's why you see it's kind of blurry. But if you can do also your own researches, you can follow with me with your phone, and then you can follow along. I'm still working on the screen, and then so far is get better, but the internet connection is very slow. So that's what I'm trying to that's why you see the other day it was having issue, but right now I'm almost done with it. So bear with me, by Friday or Monday I'm gonna be able to make it clear, as well as you can see to make it better, so you can have a better look at the picture and the quality. So hopefully we're gonna have a better screen watch for on Friday or Monday. So I'm still working on it, so bear with me about that. And as you can tell, also it's not only spy, it's not only those who's go down. Also you can see Microsoft, and the symbol is MSFT. As you can see, he's 260, and you can see the past 5 days, go on 5 days, you can see he went from 268, 266 to 260. That's not a big deal, but still is a major, since it's on 6 point. And again, if you scroll down, you can see the related. This is the related stock that's rated Microsoft, and then you can see the recent stock I've been watching, paying attention to. And that's a way to know. For example, if you do some research, you look at the right corner and look at on the middle, you can see recently. If you want to know which stock you watch recently or search, you can look for it. But you can see Microsoft make a big dip today, and today's a bear market. Today definitely bear market. And I was expecting it, since they have bull market since the past few days, on Friday, Saturday, Friday, Monday, and yesterday. And I was expecting to have a bull market today. That's a major bull, bear. That's a major bear market. And as you can see, the bear has a party. They're killing it right now. So I don't blame them. The stock I bought this morning, I bought yesterday, SP 500 option put, and I sold it this morning. And I also want to do a day trade. The day trade I bought is Mirror. I bought a day trade on Mirror today. I bought it around before I joined the live screen. I do a quick day trade. I bought it when I see the dip around like around that right here. I bought a dip one right here when it was like when it was at 10. Let me see. When it was at 1060. When I was at 1060, I bought it option call. I see that it's about to turn. As you see, this one over there is about to turn, and this turn over there, the return over there. And then I'll say, well, you know what, let me do an option call. And I bought it, and I set it when it was at 1098. Yeah, and I set at 1098. And I do option call. I bought it. The option call I bought was at 6 cents. 6 cents mean like it's $6. You multiply by 100, so it's $6. And then I was able to sell it for $8. So I bought a 6, sell at 8. So basically I make 30% of my portfolio this morning on top of the option put I make yesterday. So hopefully tomorrow is gonna have a better day. And the reason why also I was looking at Bitcoin. The reason because you can see Bitcoin, I mentioned for the past few days, Bitcoin and Mara, those already start together. So there's a mining, there's a blockchain, Bitcoin, and you can see BTC. So they could give me the wrong stock name. It was supposed to be BTC, but they give me BTCS. Let me fix that quick. Like that, those are Bitcoin related stock. But if you want for example, for the market like SP 500, I advise you to do I advise you to do SP 500 or on Microsoft or Google or Apple or Tesla. I advise you to go to if you go home on the app and then go to market, they're gonna show you the related stock that's related together. For example, SP 500, they're gonna tell to you as you can see, SPY and DIA, these are related to with IXIC. If you add those on the watch list, and you can see how they move together. As you can tell, this is 1.70, almost 2%, and I see IXIC drop also to 2%. So basically, this is all working hand to hand, and you can tell also which stock to have a better view. You can go on down to see the earnings. Like you can see the earning was estimated for Costco 0.9. The last price was $49. Target is $3 estimation. Lowe's was at 3. And you go to the earning, you can always go to the earning, they give you the list. For example, Costco, you can see the list. Yeah, this is the estimate for Costco 0.09. The target was $3. Lowe's was $3. BBW was on 0.5. GJ Company was 0.60 cents. ADI was $2. SQM was 32 cents. And FPGR was almost $1.94, and so on. Those are the earnings for today. But if you are curious about to look for the earning, and then also if you want to know about the let me see if I can pull up the calendar for the next 3 weeks. Yeah, if you scroll down, you can see the date for today and tomorrow. Tomorrow is the 19th. You can have an idea which the earnings is gonna be tomorrow. For example, tomorrow you're gonna have AMAT, Apply Mail is gonna be tomorrow. PANW, Palo Alto, which is gonna be earning tomorrow. Coles is gonna be also KSS is gonna be earning earning tomorrow. Today is the 18th. That's on the 19th, which is tomorrow. BJ's, a lot of people are gonna watch BJ's because BJ's is gonna be earning tomorrow. And you got also which other place which is big, Golden Ocean is gonna have earning tomorrow. And you can see also the Flowers Food is gonna have earning tomorrow, so pay attention to that. So those are the earning that's gonna be impact tomorrow. So look at the earning carefully if you're interested in earning. And also if you want to do dividend, you can click on dividend, and they give you the dividend for today. You got Smart Communication that had dividend, Select Medical that had dividend today, and then you got GHT dividend, and you can see he has 1% year, and the dividend was at 8 cents. And that's why a lot of people go to dividend, because sometimes dividend give you good profit, and sometimes too it's not your luck. When it's not your luck, so basically you end up paying less dividend. So that's unfortunate for those that's following, for the people that's um watching, and that's paying attention. So basically, those are the earning, and then the IPO. You can see IPO offering. For example, if they have any offering, public offering, or the IPOs, so you can go ahead and then go to the IPO offering. You can watch it, and then if you see any IPO offering that's due date, you can look for it, and then you can have an idea, because before everyone else, you can do that before the day, or throughout the day, because the due date. IPO file. The IPO file, for example, this is a stock that's probably gonna go up to the market very soon. For example, you got Jay-Z, which is education technology. He has a file that it is 50 million, and let's click on it to find out how it's open. You can click on it. As you can see, it has upcoming IPOs. So which is gonna be is listed, is gonna be on the 10. It was on the 10. So basically, so far is he hasn't make any impact yet. So basically, was waiting for the IPO to go live, unfortunately. So that's the that's and then you can go on the news also as well. You can see the news. The news give you an advantage as well, how everything goes well. The news, for example, you see is a Chinese stock, the Jay-Z, and then you can see it said it's filing is to list on NASDAQ, Jay-Z, and you can read about it to know better about it. So now let's go back to the market for tonight. And the stock I'm watching for tonight, let me see tonight. Tonight I'm watching some Chinese stock, because the BIDU is one of the stock that's so they give me the one BIDU. Yeah, I'm watching BIDU. BIDU, as you can see, BIDU is open today. For the past few days is moving up. As you can see, Friday, that's when the big happen. Is go from here to how much the price, from 102 all the way to 120. So basically that was Friday and yesterday, and then today, boom, you can see today he has a major downfall today, which is not surprised, because today is recession, and people talk about recession today, and we don't know how long the recession is gonna last. But a lot of people is planning to go and then make a option put and make a gain of that. So basically, pay attention. Like I said, don't hold any stock overnight unless you're familiar with what you're doing, and you're familiar with how to buy and how to sell. But otherwise, you'll be able to make a lot of make it gonna be stuck for a while. Okay, so that's that for